Hey guys, I am Amarta Varshini. I'm a CA finalist who cleared both groups of CA inter examination in her very first attempt. So basically, I want to narrate you a story. Okay, so a few years back in 2018, there was a girl who was literally mocked to such extent for her appearance, for her color, for her shape that she started hating herself and she started asking God, why the hell you have created me like this? So I'm sure most of you might have guessed the who is she. That's me. So guys, when I was in 8th standard, people literally used to mock me, troll me, and people won't be sitting with me, and even if they start to sit with me, they literally traumatize me to such extent that I start hating myself, the way I am, the way I carry myself, my color, shape, size, and each and everything. So this literally shattered my confidence, and I started hating the life each and every day. But in 10th standard, I had a determination that I have to I have to rebuild myself, and I should not make the people's comment affect me. So what I did was I started focusing on myself, and in my 11th standard, the same person who literally pushed me and traumatized me has became my friend, and they wanted to associate with me because I was a topper. And today, still in my 11th standard, I had that inferiority complex, because this is not something that you build on a single day, but it takes years to build. And now today, I don't care about how I appear. I don't care about people's comments on me, because I started loving myself. I became a person who literally people cannot break, and I became a very, very confident person in my life. So, most of the people will know the story, but they want to know how, right? So I'll give the tips on how I rebuilt myself piece by piece, brick by brick. So the first thing is, accept the way you are. Accept yourself that yes, I was born with this color, or I am fat, or I am so and so person. Because unless and otherwise you accept yourself, nobody can do anything for you, right? So first thing is, accept the way you are. Then second one is, start building yourself. Start building your confidence, start building the relationship with people, and immediately stop the connection with people who are breaking your confidence. Because even if you are working on yourself and building yourself into a strong person, these negative people will destroy your peace and will destroy your building which you are creating by the one or two words. So second thing is, build good relationship with people and build confidence with people who build confidence and build good relationship with people who can actually push you up in life and not down. And the third one is, cutting down from the people who are discouraging you, because their one word can destroy your entire life. Next thing is, you should always grab each and every opportunity that life pours on you. So for example, in my school days, because of the judgment what people will be thinking of me, I never used to take up any stage or any opportunity to speak on stage or to speak in any competition, and I used to be in my shell. So the fourth thing is, you have to break your shell, you have to break your comfort zone and come out. And fifth one is, you have to ignore literally what people would even think of you, right? You should avoid the thinking process about what if they think about me, what if they judge me badly. You should not be thinking about that, because in this process you'll be having a lot of self doubts. But only if you grab the opportunity, you will come out of the shell, and you will stop believing the people's words upon you. then only you can become a strong and confident person. So lastly, believe in yourself. It takes just few moments for people to break your trust. For example, if you're walking on a road and suddenly someone is passing the comment, see how fat she is, see how ugly she is. It just takes 3 or 4 seconds, and all the trust which you have built over the years gets shattered. And I know it will be difficult, but still, don't let people to break your confidence. Be you. Whatever you're hearing, whatever the negative things you're hearing, hear from this ear and let it out from this ear. That's the only solution which can be there. And start coming out of your comfort zone. I hope this video was helpful. This will be like, I'm sure that I'm not the only one who had been facing this problem. There will be a lot of people who face the judgment in the society for various other reasons, because people are meant to pass comments on you. But I hope you will build yourself. When people throw stones at you, collect them and build a big palace, and they should be jealous of you. So this is the message which I wanted to give today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.